Hi everyone, this is Design Studio Ideas and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you modern window design. Every room in your home can benefit from beautiful windows and there is countless number of design style to choose from. If you have been looking for ways to brighten up your interiors, look to your windows. Here are some ways your home's windows design can influence your interiors. Humans are no different than green plants. When placed in a natural lit room, they grow beautifully, and when kept in the dark, they wilt and will eventually die. Natural light is the source for our body, mind, spirit, and connectivity to the outdoors and is the primary source for healthy living. Regardless of how your windows look, ensure your home has a source of natural light in every room when possible. If you are fortunate enough to plan out the design of your home with an contractor, consider the space the windows will be placed in. Tall ceilings could benefit from clear-story windows high above the ground or multi-story windows that are typical and multi-story foyers. Smaller rooms can still take advantage of plentiful sunlight and views with windows that have a lower still height to the floor. Takes into account your room best features. There is nothing quite like waking up to picturesque view of the occasion through floor to ceiling glass windows or enjoying the city lights below through. Windows are more than just opening in the wall. They help you capture the outdoors and bring them into your home. If designing your home from the beginning, determine what perfect view you want to capture first and then choose a window that will enhance it. Another wonderful way to take advantage of natural light is through skylights. Your ceiling or fifth wall has always been a surface that many homeowners forget about when designing their interior. Skylight offer privacy and a source of natural light to rooms that normally could not because of leg space for windows on exterior wall. Skylights also serve as a design feature and come in fixed and perfect varieties and you can install window treatment over them for light control. Do you have that in your room where you would love to have natural light but you need privacy too? Bathrooms are a primary example where privacy is priority but bringing in light is well as. Consider a variety of levels for your window style. Transparent glass you can see straight through, while translucent glass is common in a glass block. The view is obscured but natural light can still enter. There are many windows manufacturers that offer a variety of windows for your privacy and design specification. If you are in the planning stages of your home, consider the geographic location of your home and how your house will be situated on your property in accordance with the sun. Contractor alike will tell you walk the property when choosing design features of your home. You may not want to put a window wall of glass in bedroom where the early sun makes you if you are late riser. Similarly, look at climatic changes and seasonable changes for your area to maximize hot and cool temperature changes when choosing the right window. There are no specific design rules when it comes to choosing window shapes and size and therefore let your design side come out when choosing the perfect ones. Many architects like to play with voids and solid space on walls and place windows in interesting configuration that are appealing to the eye as well as take advantage of gorgeous view. When choosing colors and finishes for your room, look outside to the view to get inspiration. A kitchen that overlooks a gorgeous garden through picture frame windows may not need a lot of color to compete with the beautiful view. Windows can help you your interior by using the view as inspiration. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.